So what's going on YouTube? Today we are at one of our rentals, okay, and we're installing a fireplace because this place has like no fireplace. It's pretty blank. I'll show you. It's kind of like the dining here, and then the living room right there, and there's no fireplace, right? So I'm installing one right in this wall. I kind of built it already, as you could see there. Okay. And this little fireplace, I like it because it's low. It's one of the lowest fireplace I found in Amazon. And it's pretty good. It has different colors and stuff. But later on, we're going to show you that. We're just going to install it on this wall right here. Center it up. And yeah, that's it. And then I'll show you the final product later on. Here we go. So first and foremost, the installation for this fireplace right here, they have this like little plastic kind of 90-degree where you can screw it on. They're all like that, and it's just on MDF. Okay, pretty cheap material. It works. Okay, to be honest with you, there's no complaints on it. One thing I would notice is that it's too low to the ground, and you have this trim right on the side. I'd like to create one where the trim kind of continues on all around the fireplace bottom. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna show you guys right now. And yeah, the fireplace is super easy to install, to put together. It took me 15 minutes. Just screws on the side, little 90-degree bracket there. And that's really it, you know. One thing I don't like about this is it has this plug right here. And this plug is not gonna work because our plug kind of sits right on the back of this fireplace right here. So I actually bought a extension cord with a 90-degree top or end. And that way I can install it on that. Super cool. So let's do that. I also have this little contraption right here. This is kind of like the base that I installed. I put together with the 2x4s and the trims cut into 45s, the ends of it. Yeah, let's just see if it works. Most of it's gonna be caulked with this white caulking right here, Alex Plus. Again, none of these are sponsored. It's just me. I just want the fireplace in this house so that it has some sort of, you know, luxury feel to it. I know the fireplace is super low. I do want to install kind of like a mantle on top of here, but I don't have that right now. So if you guys have any ideas, you can comment down below how I can install a mantle here, whether span it all across the wall or just on top of that guy right there. Let me know. Yeah. So I measured this whole thing 170 inches, okay, from span, the whole thing. Middle is basically plastic, right? Plastic electricians. Basically the middle is right there, that stud right there, okay? And that is 85 inches from each wall. Okay, we're gonna test this out now. Let's try if we can put our base right in the middle, right? Yeah, basically it'll just sit like that. I'll put the trim around and we're good to go. That's really it. Super nice. What do you guys think? Let's do this. $7.25. move it like about an inch that way. Ooh, 70 and a half, that might be too much. Okay, that might be close. And 71. Let's go! Alright. So we just nail gun that thing right there, 1 and 2 right there. Now we're gonna cut it back there and flush it in. So we got the trim on, we got the 2x4s on there. Final verdict is, oh, cocked it a little bit too. So the seams are, you know, not so revealing, right? And last thing we need to do is clean up a bit. Put the extension cord on the plug and put the fireplace in. So I have this plug. Hopefully that is enough. And I shoved all the wires on the side. Let's see how it does. And it's all done. So basically, it's the new fireplace right here. You got a door here. You also get a remote. Basic remote there. And turning it on, boom. Different colors. Very nice. Now again, we have a gap on the side, a little bit on the top. It's not fully flush because of our cord, but I do plan to find like a trim, like a plastic trim that will take that gap away. But it doesn't look too bad actually. You know, call it the landlord special, right? Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, this is the fireplace. $150, by the way, in Amazon. Link down below. Go ahead and check it out. Definitely recommend it if you want like a quick, cheap, low, kind of small, slim type of fireplace, right? It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace.